Today I'm making ButcherBox Filet Mignons. This is going to be my Sunday afternoon treat. Now the key to getting any steak perfect on the outside, that sear that you want, is to get them as dry as you could possibly get them. So that's why I'm mopping them off with a paper towel, making sure they're just as dry as I can get them. These fillets really don't need the bacon wrap like the cheap ones that you buy, but for some reason in my head I have to have the bacon wrapped around them. So I decided to take some of that fantastic ButcherBox bacon and wrap them around there anyway. Oddly, it came out perfect on the grill. Kind of expected the bacon to burn. Now I'm going to season them up with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Don't forget to do both sides. For some reason, my grill only goes from 0 to 60, so I did these at full high heat, about 2 minutes aside. Yeah, I made instant mashed potatoes. I didn't have any more potatoes left. Well, got my Filet Mignon here. Give it a little taste test for you guys. Extremely tender. Just like a good filet should be. Now, like I said, they taste good enough. You don't really need to bacon wrap them, but I like bacon, and ButcherBox has great bacon. So I would recommend these. They're an add-on item, I think. I can't really remember, to tell you the truth, but they're perfect for me. I really like them. I like the flavor. They're easy to grill, a couple of minutes, you're done. Anyway, that's my review of the Filet Mignon. They're absolutely fabulous. Kind of a specialty item that you should throw into your box. If you like this video, push the like button for me. And if you want me to continue to review or you want to watch continued reviews of some of the ButcherBox products, I'll be happy to do them, and I'm going to be doing them anyway, so you may as well subscribe, especially if you're a ButcherBox subscriber. Anyway, if you like this video, push the like button. If you didn't like this video, push the like button anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you got any suggestions or comments, please put them below. I'd love to hear from you. Until then, this is Dr. J. Over and out.